Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset VIVO V50e. Okay, so let's begin. So we have two options how we can reset this device, and of course I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first method, which is recommended when we have access to the phone and when the phone is responsive and it works in a perfect way, everything works fine, as you can see, is simply by the settings. So open up your settings, now scroll down into the bottom, click on System Management, and in here we have reset options. Of course, we are interested in the erase all data to perform a factory reset, but in here you can also reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth settings, reset app preferences, and also all settings. So simply, if you want to reset, click on, for example, app preferences and click on reset. Okay, and now we want to click on erase all data. Now remember that all of your data will be permanently lost from your device, and there is no possible way to restore them unless you create a backup. If you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. Okay, and now in here simply click on erase all data. Then your screen will go black, your phone will be turned off, then turned on automatically, and the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your phone. But there's also the second method that I want to show you, and it's called it's a reset from the recovery mode. To do it, we need to turn off our device first, so let's tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time, just like that, and click on power off. Okay, and now we need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's keep on holding. Okay, and now we can release our fingers. Now we are in the Fastboot mode. Now using the volume keys, we need to select recovery mode. Okay, and now confirm by clicking the power button. Okay. Now we need to click on clear data. Now again, clear data. Click on OK. Okay, now the process will launch, so let's wait until it's finished. It shouldn't take much time, max 10 seconds. Okay, all data cleared. We can click on return right now, click on return again, and click on the restart. Click on OK, and now, just like in the previous method, within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. And now you need to set up your device. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.